In this tutorial, we're going to download and install Python on your computer. Don't worry, it's easy and I'll guide you through every step of the way. The first thing we need to do is go to the python.org website and click on Downloads. And let's click on the Download Python button, and the download will start. Now, let's look at the Downloads folder, which should have the Python 3 installer, and double-click it to start the installer. If you're on Windows, make sure to check the box to add Python 3 to path, so Python is installed correctly on your machine. If you're on a Mac, simply click Continue through the installer screens. Agree with the license agreement and install it. After the installer is done, we should see a message that says Python was successfully installed. So now you have Python 3 installed on your computer. So let's close this. Next, let's install a code editor. We use a code editor to help us write code. PyCharm is one of the most popular code editors for Python code. You can download it from jetbrains.com/PyCharm. PyCharm is a professional code editor with some additional features that make it really easy to write code. Let's click on Download Now and make sure to download the free Community Edition, which we're going to use for this tutorial. Let's go back to the Downloads folder. Here you will have PyCharm, so double-click it, and if you're on Mac, you need to drag this icon to the Applications folder, and then double-click this to run it. So let's go ahead and open it. Next, you will see this Welcome to PyCharm screen. Let's click on New Project. This will be the location for our project. Let's call it Hello, and make sure that base interpreter is set to Python 3. Also make sure to uncheck the Create Welcome script. We are going to write our code from scratch. Now let's create this project.